Hello everyone, welcome to Tickle the Roots. In today's video, we are going to see how to grow a passion fruit plant completely in a pot such that it will have a vigorous growth. Apart from that, you can also obtain fruits by growing this method. So come, let's check out the video. So basically we have taken a waste paint bucket here, and you can choose any fancy ones or any other containers such that it should have enough depth for the roots to grow. And here it took around 6 to 8 months for us to grow into such large vines, and now it has few flower buds too, which we will show you in a while. So basically, this is the passion fruit flower. We are not sure which color fruit it may produce. And the yellow color part which you see over there is the male part of the flower, and it is called anther, and it has few pollen grains over it. And that part is the female one. The stigma is inside the petal. So yeah, it came out. That is the stigma, which is the female part. So there is one important thing which you will have to consider while growing this plant. You can grow it either horizontally or vertically, but when you grow vertical, the distance between two leaves is enormous and the growth is very faster. But when you go horizontally, the distance between two leaves is less and it will take a long time for it to grow. So if you wanted to see a faster growth, you can grow it vertically. Though these plants have flower buds in every node, only few will develop into a proper flower. Other buds will just fall off, like these yellow colored ones. Yeah, you can see another one over here too. And very few will develop into a fruit like you see here. So this is another flower which is ready to form its fruits. Like right now inside the petals you can see a small fruit which is in the development stage. And this is another flower which is yet to develop a fruit. And you can see another flower bud which may open or bloom tomorrow, I believe. Yeah. And there's another one here. And this flower right now you can see it has completely bloomed and it looks very pretty. So as I said earlier, you can see flower buds in every node, and as you come down, you can see the size of the buds are continuously increasing. This is a completely well developed flower which has bloomed. So here you can see few ants moving over the flower. Please do not kill them because they help in pollinating the flower, which will really earn you a fruit. This is a developing fruit which is just 3 days old, which was pollinated by the so-called ants. And one major thing which you will have to consider is that you have to provide the plant with a strong rope or a thread such that it can hold many fruits in the future. But here I did a mistake by providing the plants with a weaker thread. So you people do not do it. Since we are growing this passion fruit plant in a pot, it's better to loosen the soil at periodic intervals and then add some vermicompost or any other organic matter to it such that it will get enough nutrients. And sometimes you could see a crawlers like this which states that your soil is organic enough, which is really a good sign. I usually take the fallen leaves from the plants and just put it at the base of the plant such that it will also add some of the organic content to the plant, and which will really enable them to grow into a better one. And one more thing which you're going to consider while purchasing the organic manure is that in case if it is rich in nitrogen, it is going to promote the shoot growth, and if it is rich in phosphorus, it is going to provide more fruits to us. So when you loosen the soil, it is common to see some root hairs like this because it may just get cut off from the main roots. It is very normal and root pruning is really good for the plant. So you don't want to panic or worry regarding that. So after you loosen the soil, you can add some organic compost to it. Right now I'm using vermicompost. Earlier I was using this organic compost which was made of food waste, and it also showed really very good result. So in case if you see some white worms on your soil, do not panic because this is a very good sign, because this worm usually feeds on organic matter. This shows that your soil is very rich in organic content, which will really enable the plant to grow in a better way. Hope this video was helpful, and please do like, share and subscribe.